Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Generative AI, Creating New Content with AI. Imagine a super-powered Lego builder. Instead of just assembling existing bricks, it can create entirely new, unique Lego creations from scratch. That's generative AI. It's all about algorithms that generate new content, text, images, music, code, instead of just analyzing existing data. Traditional AI, like spam filters, focuses on classification and prediction. It answers, "Is this spam?" Generative AI focuses on creation. It answers, "Write a short story about a talking dog." Think of an LLM as a giant library filled with books. It's read everything and learned the patterns of language. When you ask it a question, it doesn't just search, it generates a completely new answer based on its knowledge. It's like a really smart autocomplete. It predicts the next word based on the previous words, one word at a time, until it forms a complete sentence, paragraph, or even story. It's probabilistic, meaning it's making educated guesses based on its training data. You don't need to build your own LLM. It's incredibly complex. Companies like OpenAI and Google provide APIs, simple ways to send requests to their LLMs and get generated content back. Think of it like sending a text message to get a response. We'll show you a basic Python script using an API to generate a short poem. You'll see how easy it is to integrate generative AI into your applications. Generative AI isn't perfect. It can sometimes generate biased or inaccurate content. We'll discuss the ethical responsibilities of using this powerful technology. From creating personalized stories to automating code generation, the possibilities are endless. We'll explore some exciting future applications and career opportunities in this field. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.